Before beginning with the video, let me tell you a short story. Technolope and TechBurner are very successful and well-known people on YouTube, known as tech YouTubers, and I'm pretty sure you might have also seen their videos. And recently they both decided to launch their own clothing brand known as Dot Company and Overlays. And in this video I'm going to explain you the entire experience that I went from ordering to receiving the products to unboxing it to the cloth itself and everything related to it. And there's also some things which I think both of these brands might have done better. Stick to this video till the end to know everything about it, and without wasting any time now, let's begin with the video. For each of the categories that you can see in the chapter section below, I'm gonna give 1 point for each brand that does good in that specific category, and by the end of this video, the brand with most point wins. Now talking about the category of Dot Company, there are total of 3 categories that you can choose from: T-shirt, caps and wallet. Inside T-shirt you have 2 different gender categories, male and female, and inside which you have some color options and quite different clothing itself. Like there are different categories of T-shirts that are being there on the website, each category having multiple color options. Like color options are quite insane in Dot Company. Now talking about the variety with overlays, it's not really there. You only have the option to order T-shirt, and that too only 2 different types of it. You don't even have a gender specific category. There's only one category of 2 different T-shirts that you can order. You can order from left side or the right side, and that's about it. Very limited color options as well. And that's the reason why Dot Company wins 1 point here in this category. So about the ordering experience with Dot Company, I ordered this black T-shirt from them, and while I was ordering it, the size is M by the way, I had to pay 50 rupees or like around 60 to 70 cents as shipping. So I tried to increase the quantity of this T-shirt, but it doesn't matter how many product you buy. That shipping cost you have to pay no matter what, or like no matter where you live actually. So that I found something strange. Now asking for shipping money on top of your order is not something that's like too bad, but I think there would have been an option where if you order after a certain quantity, the shipping becomes free. That would have been really nice. Whereas in overlays, I didn't have to pay any shipping irrespective of what I was ordering. Now, there are not much options in the website itself that I could order. There's only 2 different types of T-shirts as I already explained. But irrespective of the quantity that I'm ordering, it does not matter. I did not have to pay any shipping fees here. I even tried to put the pin code of the southernmost part of our country, which is India. But even then there was no shipping cost, which was quite impressive in my opinion, and that's the reason why Overlays gets 1 point here. About the cost of this T-shirt that I ordered from Dot Company, I had to pay 409 rupees, which included the shipping cost into it. Cost of this T-shirt including the shipping cost 409 is not that bad if you look at the quality of this T-shirt, which you're gonna see in a while in this video. Whereas the greyish T-shirt that I'm wearing right now from Overlays costed me around 674 Indian rupees, which included everything from shipping to the order itself. Shipping was free of course, so the T-shirt itself is a bit expensive as compared to the Dot Company. The main reason for that is the type of fabric that they have used here, which is Suprema cotton, which is known to be a very fine quality of cotton, more durable and absorbs the color better, has a bit more lifetime than a normal regular cotton. So in this category, I'm gonna give both these companies 1 point each because they both deserve it. Now about the delivery and the unboxing experience, this may be a bit subjective to the place where you live. Dot Company ships their order from Pune, so it took me around 2 days to receive this package. For the order of Overlays, it took around 24 hours, and the next day I already was having the order right around the same time that I had placed the order of previous day. And about the unboxing experience with Overlays, this is where game completely changes. I think since Shlok has already unboxed so many gadgets, he already is aware of this unboxing experience and how important it is, which is the reason why the unboxing experience of Overlays clothing itself is such nice. Like nicely packed in a box, then mat wrap, a welcome card and all the tags in place. It just makes a consumer very happy. Meanwhile, the order of Dot Company came in a simple package. Well, after all, it's the quality of this T-shirt that actually matters, which I'm gonna get in a moment. But nevertheless, multi-sensory experience was way better in Overlays than Dot Company, so I'm gonna give 1 point to them over there. Now talking about the quality of the T-shirt itself, this T-shirt from Dot Company sits really nice in the body. It's a closer fit, so while you're ordering from the website, do make sure that you look at the sizes that they have present over there. This t-shirt after washing as well will lose a bit of color, but that's not bad because it's expected from cotton to lose color while you wash it. But just make sure that you don't put any light cloth along with it while you're washing it the very first time. But after washing, what you will see is a bit more surprising. This t-shirt, also known as the first generation product from Dot Company, shrinks in size after you wash it. I talked with Harsh about it and he said he was aware of this issue and the issue has been taken care of in the next generation products that are there on the website, the new lot as he said. Now about this grayish t-shirt from Overlays, the quality of this, as you can see, is a bit more shiny, more smoother and a bit more loose fitting as compared to Dot Company. You paid a bit more here, so I was expecting a bit more from the t-shirt as well. While I put this t-shirt into the soapy water and then let it dry, after drying it out, there was first of all no color loss at all and the t-shirt did not shrink even a single bit. However, there's one big thing that I want to mention here. After I washed this t-shirt the very first time, already had a hole in the t-shirt. I washed, well, the washing was not even in a machine. It was literally just dunking in a soapy water, taking it out, rinsing it a bit and then drying it out in the shade. And it already has a hole and I'm pretty sure that's the place from where this entire t-shirt is gonna go down. Now, ordering something that costs 600-700 rupees and then after first wash, you having this kind of experience is not really good. That's the reason I'm gonna give 2 points to Dot Company here instead of Overlays, because this product has failed my expectations in terms of quality after the first wash itself. Now talking about the attention to detail or like quality control, this t-shirt from Dot Company, when it came, it had few threads hanging around from the inside stitching area, as well as few of them were not even loose, they were just sticking out. Maybe the person responsible to cut them or chop them did not really pay attention to that. So I think that is something that Dot Company can work on and improve from their end, so it's a bit more better customer experience when it comes to that. Now with the Overlays, I did not see any such thing. The stitching was on point, there was no loose threads were hanging outside either. So they did pay attention to the quality of it so that the consumer that gets does not complain about those things. So 1 point here to Overlays clothing. Now talking about the return or refunds, if you're ordering something from Dot Company and if you're not satisfied with it, provided that you have not used it and you have all the tags and in the same condition as you received, you can send this back and then they will be happy to provide you with the same amount of coupon or like credit into your account, which you can again use to order something from their own website. Now make sure you would not get money refund, so you have this credit that you're obligated to use on their own website. And if you're ordering something next time which exceeds the amount of that, you just have to pay the difference for it. Now when it comes to return and refund experience with Overlays, it works like this. It's a bit complicated, I know, but trust me, it's worth listening. So when you order something and you're not satisfied with it, you have to make sure that it's in the proper condition as it was sent to you. All the wraps, all the tags, everything should be there in the box while you send it. And once it's being delivered, you will get money refund directly, which will be the amount of money you paid minus the shipping cost, which was 100 rupees. So officially you already had paid it in the bill itself, 100 rupees, which was not mentioned externally. But when you ask for a refund or a return, you will get the same amount of money as you paid minus 100, because that is non-refundable. That 100 rupees shipping which comes with Overlay is not refundable. So keep that in mind while you order something. And that is the reason why I think Dot Company still gets 1 point here, because the way in which the policies work with Overlay is just not that good. And so Dot Company, even though it does not have the best policy, it has an edge over Overlays. So with that, the comparison ends here and you have a clear winner. Although the competition was really tough, I just hope that both of these companies keep on growing and improving. Take this video as a feedback from a consumer itself who has reviewed your product, because usually I review technology, but I thought it would be very interesting for me to do such thing as well. And with that feedback, maybe you can improve a bit more. Let me know in the comment section below what you guys thought of it, and if you're interested to check both of these websites, I'll leave it in the description section below. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section below as well. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. There's a dog barking behind. Very annoying, but bear with me, the video is almost ending and I'll be catching you guys next week with another video. Until then, take care. Special note to Harsh, that Dot Company's cap I have my eyes on and I'm coming to get it. See.